And today we're going to be checking out this DIY self-empowerment journal. That's right, if you have a young journalist in the house, this is a great journal to get them started with. It's going to teach them self-empowerment, it's going to give them self-confidence, and it's going to give them a place to write their daily journal entries in as well, along with some other cool stuff, and we're going to check it all out. So one of the first things you get is like this little tassel that you can attach to your journal. It's basically like a faux feather, which is very cool. It's got a little chain on it. You're going to get two stencils. One has the alphabet on it. They have different captions, so you can write captions if you want to, and different banners. It also has a rainbow and different shapes and stuff on this one, which is very cool. You're going to get this decorative paper so you can cut out and decorate different journal pages if you choose to. You get all these different cool ones. You're going to get these 5 markers for coloring. Then you're going to get a black marker for outlining and actually for writing in your journal if you choose to. It's just a little fine tip black marker. You're going to get a stickable sequence patch that has a heart on it. You're going to get 3 rolls of glitter tape and these 3 colors here for decorating your journal with. You have these 5 stickers, but also if you look inside the book you can see that you're going to have stickers in here for decorating your pages as well. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4 different pages. You can see some of the pages are bright and colorful. You can put things about me, list 5 things you love about yourself. Has different quotes in it throughout the book as well. Like this is from Reese Witherspoon. It says, "Spend less time tearing yourself apart, worrying if you're good enough. You are good enough." The actual journal pages have a spot for the date, and then of course where you would actually journal in your entry for that day. You can see in the center they have "Think Like a Queen," which is an Oprah Winfrey quote. Write 3 things you're not afraid of, and you would just include them in here. And then if you get all the way to the back, you see where you have different little self-confidence builder activities as well. But you also get this cool little tear out poster, and on each of these rays you can write "I am," say, "confident," "I am smart," "I am capable," "I am talented." Whatever I ams that you want, you can put them all the way around, and then you can actually color this in with the markers provided. And then it's perforated so you can tear it and hang it out and put it where you can actually see it. Very, very cool. You have little stickers in here that you can add to that poster if you don't want to write it out, and they have all kinds of different ones that you could use to describe yourself. You got a couple pages of those, and overall it's just a really cool little journal. Not only are you going to have a place to write your thoughts and journal in, you're also going to have different activities for building self-confidence and helping you feel more empowered. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.